My animal My animal is the giant squid. Their summers are cold. Their diet is fish and shrimp and small squid. Their habitat is a deep ocean. How they have been seen most on islands of Japan and Australia. Their habitats are they can shoot ink to protect self. They use their tentacles to catch food. Their predator.
Hi, I'm a snow leopard. I am hunted illegally. My fur can be white, yellow, or gray. I am also called an ounce. I weigh 60 to 120 pounds. I climb mountains When I am cold, I wrap my tail around my body to keep warm. I do not live in large groups. I'm a member of the cat family.
You're done.
Hi, I am a cheetah. I like to eat birds, rabbits, antelope, and young warthogs. I live in Africa in dry, grassy areas called the savannas. Really, the only predators I have is humans. I don't like being threatened. I can hide like a sand shark, so I can sneak up on you. Fun facts about me is that the males tend to be.
Hi, my name is Ella the Sloth. My diet is leaves and fruit. I live in Central South America in tropical forests. I spend my life in trees because I cannot walk. My adaptations: I have a greenish algae on my back. It helps me blend in with the trees. My predators are a jaguar, a harpy, an eagle, and humans too. My fun fact.
Hey, it's Leo here. I'm here to tell you about my species. We lions are mammals, so we give birth to young, live, and feed them milk. We usually eat warthogs, wildebeests, gazelles, zebras, and giraffes. Our predators are hyenas and pythons. Males like me have big manes. We also have loud roars. See you next time, Leo.
Hello, I'm Riley the Python, and I can go to be 23 feet. Did you know that I can lay up to 100 eggs? Pythons eat lizards, frogs, and bigger pythons eat wild pigs, deer, and sheep. They live in Asia, Africa, Australia, rainforests, deserts, and grasslands. Pythons' enemies are alligators. They have shiny scales that help them blend in with their environment. Pythons are one of the largest snakes.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth the Chipmunk, and I'm going to tell you some facts about chipmunks. First, let's start off with our diet. All we eat is seeds, nuts, berries, leaves, grass, snails, slugs, and insects. We live in forests, mountains, and plains. Our adaptations are, as the holes in our home help us when snakes come in. Another adaptation is when we make sounds when we are in danger so others can come. Our predators are a pet cat, fox, coyote, owl, snakes. Some fun facts are the 25 species of us. Our bushy tail is more than half of our body. Our cheeks can...
Hello, I will tell you about red foxes today. Some red foxes don't have red fur. It can have black, silver, or golden coats. Red foxes also have great hearing. They can hear a rodent underground. Red foxes eat meat, plants like rabbits, birds, rodents, deer mice, and red-legged grasshoppers too. Red fox's habitat is in forests, fields, deserts.
What's going on, guys? Coyote here. I'm going to teach you some facts about me, so let's get into this. I'm an omnivore, so I eat a large variety of food, such as garbage, voles, lizards, mice, rabbits, gophers, and insects. My only predator that I know of are humans, but not you guys. Hopefully. I live in the forests, mountains, and grasslands of North and Central America. I can run up to 40 miles per hour, and I have very sharp teeth and claws. My scientific name is Canis lantris, and I am part of the...
Hi, my name is Nelson the caribou, and I eat grass, plants, and mushrooms. I live in Northern Europe, North America, Asia, and Greenland. My adaptations are having a very thick coat of fur so I can survive through the cold winter, and males have antlers to fight. My predators are people. My fun facts: in the summertime, my hoofs are harder, and in the wintertime, my hoofs are soft. And I migrate more than any other land mammal.
I am a wolf, and my pack
We eat deer, moose, elk, squirrels, mice, beavers, so I am a carnivore. My habitat is Asia, North America, and Europe. When I am in my pack, I live in the forest. I live in a pack of 7 to 8. My adaptations are howl and communication. My predators are people.
Hi, I'm a green sea turtle. I live in lagoons, bays, and the coastline of the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Ocean. I feed on plankton, seagrass, seaweed, fish, and algae. Yum yum. Some of my adaptations are an egg tooth to break through my eggshell, and I have a hard shell for protection from predators. Speaking of predators, some of my biggest threats are sharks, humans, birds, crabs, and boat propellers. Some fun facts about me are I weigh about 300 to 400 pounds. I can hold my breath for 4 whole hours before coming up for air, and I am related.
Did you know that electric eels reproduce in salt water? Electric eels are not aggressive animals. Their diet is smaller fish, shrimp, snails, mussels, and worms. Their habitat are muddy rivers in southern and Irano fresh water. The electric eel's adaptations are electric shock, nocturnal, and poor eyesight. By Parker Bono.
I am Fluffy the Hedgehog, and my diet is worms, bugs, mice, frogs, cat, and dog food is good for me. I live in woodlands, grasslands, forests, savannas, Europe, Africa, Asia, deserts, coasts, and marshes. My adaptations are to fin with quills, roll into a ball, use whiskers to feel at nighttime, and a lot of other surviving skills. My predators are foxes, batters, owls, stoats, road trafficking humans. There are some fun facts. We grunt like pigs. Some people keep us as pets. Sometimes we climb trees. We are nocturnal in winter.
Hi, I'm a tiger. My species live in Southwest Asia, India, and rainforest. I eat buffalo, deer, antelope, and cattle. As you know, I'm a carnivore. My main predators are humans. To help me survive, I have sharp claws, a strong body, and camouflage. Here are some fun facts about me. I like to swim. I am part of the Felidae family, and I am the largest cat.
Eastern painted turtles eat worms, snails, insects, and shellfish. You can find them anywhere in America, mostly in or around areas with ponds or rivers, sometimes lakes. They have webbed feet, shells, digging claws, and they hibernate. They're often eaten by eagles, coyotes, raccoons, or bobcats.
Hi, I am Sandy the elephant, and I eat grass, fruit, and leaves. I eat up to 200 pounds. I also eat 100 to 500 different kinds of leaves, depending on where I live. I drink lots of water. I live in the Africa savannas. I find food in flat grassy savannas. Trees and water help me stay cool in the sun. I live with my family in a group called a herd. Some of my family live in the rainforest in some America.
Hi, my friend wants to tell you a little bit about himself. I am a carnivore. I eat mice, rabbits, birds, and other prey. In winter, I hunt deer instead. I live in deserts, prairies, forests, swamps, and I can live in cities, catch my prey, and stalk pounce the predator, but hide behind rocks and trees, and then I pounce. My predators are humans. My young have other predators.
My animal is a beaver. It is a mammal. It is a herbivore. It eats plants like leaves, barks. It lives in the fresh water in North America, Europe, Asia. They have special teeth to cut down trees, paddle-shaped tails, and webbed feet to swim. Animals that like to eat them is coyote, fox, bobcats, hawks. They can breathe for 15 minutes. A long time ago.
Hi, I am a chameleon. I like to eat grasshoppers and stick bugs. The larger species eat small birds, snakes, and spiders. I am a reptile. I live in Africa, Southern Asia, and Southern Europe. I can also live in Florida and California. If you want to find me, come to Madagascar or the pet store. My predator is a human. I can survive by camouflage, and I can zoom in on my prey with fun.
The Komodo dragon diet is mostly like cattle, deer, and pigs. Its habitat is Indonesia, Sunda Islands, hot islands, underground burrows, and Australia. The adaptation for Komodo dragons is after biting its victim, it will run off, but the poison of the bite will kill it, and it will bite if triggered. The only predator of it.
An Arctic fox is a mammal. It is about the size of a small dog. It eats fish, birds, eggs, and grass. It lives in the North Arctic and Antarctica. An Arctic fox adapts to these cold, snowy areas by fur on their feet, using their tail as a blanket, camouflage, and its fur changing colors. This mammal's predators are owls, humans, polar bears, and a red-tailed fox. Fun facts. Its fur is brown in the summer and white in the winter. It uses its tail as a blanket and it's the size of a house cat. Citations.